That embroidery is called Suzani. That is very common in Pakistan. We used to have bed sheets. So, very nice.
This my group 5 professional musicians.
Silk route पे जी चीज़ें भी महंगी हैं. The ancient Silk Road. Chai is good, but it is expensive. I am taking you on to the most famous ancient Silk Route shopping spree today in the heart of Bukhara, where you will see the local shops, the very ancient local workshop under the ancient original Sarais. The atmosphere is beautiful. Come along and have a look what you can find in Bukhara to buy souvenirs and gifts for friends and family while you are there. Is this a Sarai? It used to be, and there are shops on all corners of these selling handcrafted Bukharian or Uzbek traditional items. Oh, just Pakhi. How many of you do recognize this? It's quite good. I like it. I am going to buy it, but I'm not going to buy it yet because I've just started my tour now. So when on my way back to the hotel.
£20. Inshallah, we'll come back,
but because
sister.
I've just started now my day, so inshallah I come back. There are a lot of hotels and restaurants around where you can actually sit and view the square as well. And a lot of souvenir shops at the side. When we came last time, there were not shops. People were just sitting on the floor or on the table selling all this stuff. So it's good to see this. Great change. Oh. There's probably another Sarai, and like usual common in Bukhara, Samarkand, etc. There are shops outside. There's copper shops in this one. Oh, there's a Turkish chai thing. Oh, the cool lines. The old books which we won't understand what it is. Scarves. Suzani. That is Suzani. That embroidery is called Suzani. That is very common in Pakistan. We used to have bed sheets like that. So this is originated from Uzbekistan. So there's still a lot of workshops where these things are made, the jewelry. And the copper, fridge magnets, the bags in Suzani. And they call it musical instruments. They're very like common. Will you be able to play that drum? Oh, that's in Pakistan we have. Very nice. Oh. That's nice.
Brother, it's very sad music.
Yeah. Do these play or no decoration?
No play. This one. With horn and fish skin.
Oh, okay. They're good at playing music. Can you sing as well?
Professional musician.
Haydi tasvira.
That's you.
Oh my
When you was young.
goodness.
Yeah.
This my group 5 professional musicians. 14 instruments.
Oh, very good.
This name Har.
Are you popular in Uzbekistan? Wow.
That's good.
Koira, this rhubarb, this sato, this
Sitar. They also look similar.
tar, this Uzbek national song,
Excellent, excellent. We don't use CDs, only with downloads. But thank you very much. Thank you. They're so cute, them little ones as well, isn't it? यहाँ पे आर्टिस्ट की कमी नहीं है. Look at all the beautiful paintings. When I see these things, I really want to get them for the house. But when I go to go home, I think no, I can't put that on the wall. Assalamu alaikum. You painter? Oh, look at this. He's painting this at the moment, miniature. So he's painting this at the moment. Wow, look at these ones. बड़े talented लोग हैं. They know how to preserve their history and to be proud about it. So ये भी एक workshop है painting की. Looking at these painting thing is why they look 3D. They've been made with straws. Oh, you cut them and make them into shapes and then make a drawing out of it.
This is open.
Oh yes.
This is painting.
Oh mashallah. Khoobsurat. Allah. Is he a student?
Yes.
You have many students here? Different type of art, guys. All the paintings, they are miniature, like Mughal type of paintings that we usually have.
Telefonunu o'g'lish uchun qilgan payt. Tushundingmi?
Don't know how many days or weeks does it take to make?
25-30 days.
Oh, like a month.
Only one pictures, big
Only.
pictures, 25-30 days.
Oh, okay. Mashallah. Mel baraka.
Rahman, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Look at the chess. Very Uzbek queen and a king. Nice. Oh, ये है ना नान पे डिजाइन बनाने के लिए है ना. This is काली मिर्च, सफ़ेद मिर्च, ये सारी. Guess what? I got these at home. मैं टर्की से लेके गई थी. I've never got to use them. A spice shop, really nice. I don't know what these are. Oh.
Sì, sì, basta un cucchiaino per una teiera come questa, mezzo
That's the tea.
Yeah.
And these are
100 grammi, sì, quando vengono
लेके जाइए.
a 100
Yeah, we have to taste it.
हाँ.
più o meno mi è piaciuto tutto.
Oh yes. Is it from Uzbekistan?
No.
Iran. How much is it?
$5.
I get same price in my home. Or less maybe. That is the spice tea. That is the spice tea, isn't it? Brother, do you have any sample to try? does to try. No, one is enough. One is enough. What do you think? Any good?
Spicy.
Shabazz, le bhi le jaiye.
Madam, spicy. This one 7 spices. Smell.
Okay.
It is nice.
Let's see. That's not the one Shabazz would be making. He makes the Turkish one.
No. Brother, which other tea do you do? Like cinnamon, Thai?
Anise, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, basil, mint.
It's like kava what we make at home. हम पुदीने का कावा नहीं बनाते. It tastes like that.
100 gram.
Any others we do? Any other?
This one good, this good, this good.
How much?
$8.
$8 for that.
$8 is a lot.
100 gram.
It's too much. $8.
Oh, about £6 just for that.
Yeah. Can you do good price on that?
No, this one finish.
That's the best price you can do.
Silk route पे जी चीज़ें भी महंगी हैं. The ancient Silk Road chai is good, but it is expensive. There's a cupboard in this one, yeah. This is a different bazaar, I think it's. आप इंग्लिश वाला पढ़ रहे हो? फारसी वाला पढ़ रहे हो? मैं ये पढ़ रही हूँ ख्वाजा कुद्स इसरा हजरत मोहम्मद परान, if I'm reading it correct. We are back at the house. जहाँ पे हमारा होटल है सामने. I'm back, Assalamualaikum. I promise I come back.
Okay. Only when I take pocket?
Yeah, please.
15 दा सी है ना?
हाँ. How much this one?
Which?
This
200 I take.
for both.
Both. 200,000 soon.
2000 sum.
200,000.
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Uzbekistan and beyond.